back to my channel. It's your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. So if you follow me on Instagram, and you definitely should, be shameless plug, at Life Coach Sean on Instagram. But you know I had a birthday last month, and so now that I'm another year older, I'm definitely all about skincare goodies. You're gonna see a lot more skin and beauty related content here on my channel. Really all about that anti-aging life. What I have noticed is sometimes my skin gets a little bit finicky the older I get, and I'm having to like learn how to deal with it all over again. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section. You hit 25 and your skin is like wowing all of a sudden, or 30 or 35 or whatever. And so this video is for those of us who have mature skin, who want to make sure that we keep it tight and we keep it right. All right, so let's start off with makeup wipes. Now I love, my favorite brand of makeup wipes by far, hands down, is Neutrogena. I normally go with the one that is in the baby blue packaging. That works amazing for me. But I recently switched up and tried this one. It has like a cucumber scent to it. I've been obsessed with the scent of cucumber, and this is their hydrating makeup removing cleansing towelettes. You get 25 in this little packet. It's even good on waterproof mascara, conditions the skin, soothes the skin. This is perfect for me because I have dry skin and it leaves my skin moisturized. I don't like products that absolutely like strip my face all the way off. That is not what I need. So I love this. Actually doesn't take away all the moisture. It takes away all the makeup but not all the moisture. So I love these, my favorite. I've also been loving this. Now this is an oldie but a goodie. CeraVe. I got the huge bottle. My dermatologist actually recommended that I go back to using this, and so it's awesome. It's a very light cleanser, great for deep cleaning. This is perfect, doesn't leave my skin feeling super dry, like all the moisture was sucked up out of it. I also like that my 12-year-old daughter can also use this on her skin, so that's also a plus. So I have the big bottle, but this is a really good like classic skincare product. Not glamorous, not expensive, but it's very effective. So I'm loving CeraVe. This one right here is the daily facial cleanser. It removes excess oil without drying, and it's clinically proven to deep clean skin. That's exactly what I need, especially on days like today when I'm filming and my makeup's a little bit heavier. So next product that I'm going to talk about is this one. Now this one was actually sent to me, so huge thank you to Laneige for sending this to me, or Laneige, I hope I'm saying that right. This is their Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. This bad boy is lush. It is so decadent, just soothing, moisturizing. It says Water Bank, and that's exactly what it is. Now I can't speak to how it does on oily skin because I don't have oily skin, I have dry skin, but this bad boy hydrates my skin so well. I am so excited. Huge thank you to them for gifting this to me. I actually got this through Octoly. If you guys ever heard of Octoly. Octoly is where if you're a content creator, you have a blog or Instagram or whatever, and you want to get scent free product, oftentimes you can work with companies. I've gotten all kinds of stuff through Octoly. I've gotten a big bottle of YSL Montpellier. I've got the Black Opium from them. I got a ton of stuff, makeup, so many skincare goodies. So if you're a content creator and you want to try out more products but you don't want to be spending your money to do so all the time, definitely check them out. I'll be sure to link them below. This video is not sponsored, but if you sign up using my link, you get points and I get points, and you can use those points to cash in for things like Sephora gift cards and stuff like that. So yes, it is one of my favorite things. Like I said, great items on there that you get to try, give your honest review, and you can just keep getting product back and forth. Don't break the bank to be an influencer. A lot of those people get a lot of that stuff for free. So if you're not on anybody's PR list and you want to start getting products for free, definitely check out Octoly. Like I said, use the link below. But this has been amazing, and I'm so glad they actually sent this to me. Loving it, absolutely loving it. And I talked about this before. I even did a dedicated video on it before once in the past, and that is Derma Rolling. And this right here is my Derma Roller. It has like little tiny spikes all over it. You actually like roll it up your face. It does have spikes on it. And what this does is it makes little tiny, almost microscopic little punctures in your skin, and it helps whatever you put on top of it to really be soaked in. That's what I like to use it for. Really like using it for my moisturizer or my toner or things like that, or just anything that I want that really soak in the skin. That's when I use my Derma Roller. This really helped me to work on my hyperpigmentation hyperpigmentation that I had as well. If you don't know about derma rolling, I'll probably link a video or two that I really enjoy about it if you want to find out more, but definitely Google it. But you can get these super inexpensive on Amazon. Also, everything that I'm showing you guys will be linked below in case you guys want to check it out. But derma rolling has been amazing for my skincare routine. All right, so next up I have this little bad boy right here. Now, this isn't something that I grew up hearing about or even using or trying, but I've been absolutely in love with it, and that is Jade Rolling. Now, if you're wondering why mine is like this baby pink that I absolutely love, y'all know how I feel about baby pink, and not green, it's because mine is made of rose quartz. I love putting this in the freezer first and then rolling it up my face. If you're somebody like me that suffers from like a puffy face, or like, I don't know, for some reason like the water weight is like in my face or whatever, that sounds crazy. I love to just roll this up my face at night. It's great for de-puffing, especially when you use like the smaller side around your eyes. If you suffer from like puffy under eyes, if you're taking pictures the next day or something like that, especially like when you put it in the freezer, it's perfect for that. Getting rid of that puffiness. Love, love, love this. Like I said, I'll link everything below, but I like the pink one because y'all know my favorite two colors are black and like baby pink. This kind of pink right here. Loving this little bad boy. Super inexpensive. Now, Witch Hazel has always been one of my skincare favorites. It's a great low-cost toner, and I got this one right here by Thayer's. Now, this one's newer to me. I normally go with the plain one, but I just recently gotten the cucumber one. This one is alcohol-free because, like I said, I've been obsessed with cucumber-scented like skincare goodies, like the makeup wipes. Love this stuff. It's a great inexpensive toner, and I particularly love this brand right here, Natural Remedies. Witch Hazel has aloe vera formula, alcohol-free, and cucumber. Smells good, works amazing. And up next, I have these two items, which were actually recommended to me by my dermatologist, and I used to use this a long time ago and I completely fell off, but I'm back on the little wagon again, and that is a good vitamin C serum. Oh my goodness, especially now that you're getting older and things like that, a good vitamin C serum is a must. This helps with collagen production, helps with the overall like brightness, helps with evening your skin tone, has a lot of really great benefits. Super inexpensive for this one as well. I love using this in my skincare routine. And another thing she recommended for me, and that is a face sunscreen. So this one right here is by CeraVe. I actually got this from, I want to say CVS if I'm not mistaken, but I got this one right here. It is a lightweight, oil-free, water-resistant. This is in an SPF 50, not like the regular sunscreen you put all over your body. This one is particularly for your face. It is a face sunscreen. Now, it does leave a slightly blue tint, but for me, I typically wear a little touch of makeup, whether I'm at the pool or the beach. It doesn't matter. I still wear a little bit of makeup, so I don't worry about that. But if that's something that bothers you, you may not like this because it does leave a slightly ashier tint to you. So, but to me, that's how I know that I got my face all covered, when I see it all over my face. And I put a little bit of like a CC cream or BB cream or a little tiny bit of foundation on. But yeah, loving this one by CeraVe besides the blue cast. If you know of one that doesn't do that, that's a good face sunscreen, let me know, because I'm not brand loyal. I don't owe them nothing, okay? All right, so up next is one of my absolute favorite skincare products of all time. It is from Lush, and it is this little bad boy right here, and this is their Oatifix. Now, this right here is actually a fresh face mask. Like, you can't get this online because it has fresh ingredients in it. It has like, you know, smashed up bananas and oatmeal and a bunch of other stuff. I absolutely love this mask. It is one of my absolute favorite things. It's just so decadent. It definitely makes you feel like you're getting spa treatment. It smells so good. Like, it's, you smell that banana as soon as you open it. It smells amazing. One of my favorite things of all time. This is my favorite face mask right here. And then my last, but certainly not least, favorite skincare goodie is this little bottle right here. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray. It has aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Oh, now I used to be a Fix Plus girl through and through, but I like this one has like better ingredients in it. Don't get me wrong, Fix Plus is still bae. I will still get it from time to time, but this is less expensive and I like how the freshness of it, and again, it has cucumber in it, and like I said, I've been obsessed with the smell of cucumber in my skincare products. All right, that's pretty much it for my top 10 skincare favorites of the moment. All these things I absolutely love. I think they're all amazing. If you guys use any of this stuff, let me know in the comment section below, or what have you been loving for your skincare, especially if you're like 25 and older, 30 and older. What have you been using, girl? Okay, we all want our melanin popping. We all want to be looking cute and looking like an ageless wonder around here, okay? Angela Bassett can't be the only one looking amazing at 60. We need to be doing the same thing. I also drink plenty of water. But one other thing, now this isn't in my top 10 because I haven't even tried it yet, but I have this. I've been hearing a lot of things about ice therapy and an ice roller. So I bought this, haven't used it yet, still in the package and all. Of course, I had to get it in pink. But if you use an ice roller, let me know what your results have been. I believe this also goes in the freezer. Kind of probably does the same thing as my Jade Roller, but I wanted to give it a try because it's super inexpensive, so why not? But anyway, that is it. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.